Hello everyone, this is Roy. I'm the founder of Olivon Investments. You can come visit us at olivon.com, aalavon.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. Today I wanted to make a quick video to talk to you about the triple top pattern. The triple top is a reversal pattern. Generally the stock is in an uptrend, and it comes in and it makes a high. It comes down and comes down to a little ways, makes a point of resistance, bounces back up, tests that high again, makes sort of like a double top. It comes back down and it makes like a double bottom, so it makes another point of, so it makes a point of support and a point of resistance. Sort of like it gets into sort of like a channel in between here. Comes up, doesn't break through the double top. Instead, it forms what's called a triple top, a third point there. Comes back down, and this time it breaks through this double bottom right here, and that's the reversal pattern. Is it reverses and it goes into a downtrend. It might come up to this point. That what had been a level of support here becomes a level of resistance, and the stock stays below it. You can normally depend on it to come down, at least as far as what had been going on in this channel. So that's what they're saying here with this line. This should be your minimum price target, would be right there. All right, that's the triple bottom. The triple top pattern. This is Roy from Olivon Investments. You can come visit us at olivon.com, aalavon.com. We have a bunch more free educational videos if you want to learn how to day trade. And welcome you to come join us. All right, thank you.